Hi, today we'll talk about what it is to have a superstitious mind. So my opinion is that we can have a spiritual life without being superstitious. To me, being superstitious is to live in fear. It's to create these ideas that you follow and that restrict your actions because of a fearful mind. Do a lot of people have superstitious minds? Yes. Sometimes that can be attached to religions, but not necessarily. I deeply respect religions, and I really feel it's a beautiful path to connect to a virtuous life and a spiritual life. You follow a structure and you follow beautiful scriptures that give you that peace and that give you meaning. So I really deeply respect all religions that align with love and that nurture companionship and compassion and love for others. So many religions have that purpose, and I feel it can be a very beautiful path to follow, connected to the intention to live from the heart and to be in a loving perspective always. But a superstitious mind is what creates beliefs that are, first of all, not real, second of all, based in fear, and third of all, restrictive because they're actually mind prisons. Why am I saying this here at Ranova? One of the things, I'm going to get a crystal for this. Clarity of mind. Why are crystals important for us to release superstitious minds? And I know that there's a lot of superstition about crystals. And one of my missions, I believe, is to disassociate crystals from superstition, and to understand that crystals can have a scientific explanation for sure. We know that they are in computers. We know that quantum physics does study them in a very serious way. There are so many scientists that attest to the power of crystals. And also, on an energetic perspective, on a consciousness perspective, they do align our energy with their internal geometry. They can elevate our quantum field to a higher aligned level, creating clarity of mind, emotional balance, and physical well-being in general. So, what is superstition? It is, first of all, unreal beliefs. Second of all, unreal beliefs that are based in fear. And third of all, unreal beliefs that are based in fear and that create mind prisons, therefore not allowing us to be happy and most of all free. So I associate crystals with joy, love, life, freedom as natural tools that can be scientifically researched and not at all with superstition. This is what I wanted to share with you today, and I really want to hear your thoughts. So please share this with people who love crystals, who love this kind of consciousness approach to life, and that can benefit from this knowledge. So share away, send it in your emails, social media, all the messages that you have, all the ways of communication. I would love to hear from you. Follow us on social media, as I said. Our website is paolaranova.com, and I can't wait to hear from you soon. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.